Doorbell cam shows U.S. agents break into wrong apartment to hold mum and baby at gunpoint. U.S. Marshals mistakenly held a Florida mum and her baby at gunpoint after knocking on the wrong door. The incident took place on Friday, October 22. Kata Staples, 22, was asleep with her newborn in her Bradenton home when armed officers arrived at the door and ordered her to come out. As seen in Ring doorbell camera footage, shared to her TikTok, the officers tell her, "U.S. Marshals, come to the door." She hurriedly put her dog away in its cage and went to the door, at which point the armed agents barged past her into the apartment. "They pushed me out of the way and they're holding me and my baby at gunpoint. And I'm freaking out because there's 7 or 8 of them with guns and they're screaming at me that they know he's in there," Staples told WFTS. When she first opened the door, an officer was holding a gun, about a foot away from her face, she also told WFLA. "And then they all run out, and they're like, 'That's the wrong apartment, wrong apartment.'" Apart from her dog, there was nobody else inside the apartment at the time. The officers left soon after, with the footage showing Staples visibly distressed as she went back inside. They did come back like an hour later and said, "We just want to explain to you that we saw a black male run upstairs and we thought he came to your apartment, but he didn't go to your apartment and it turns out it wasn't the black man we were looking for," Staples added. Marshals had been searching for Shamar Johnson, who was wanted on a homicide warrant following a suspected murder in September. He was found and arrested in an apartment on the same floor soon after officers left Staples' home, according to a statement from the U.S. Marshals Service. It also said Staples' home wasn't a target of the investigation, and team members did not make entry, despite the footage showing otherwise, nor did the statement include an apology. Meanwhile, Staples said she struggled to sleep since they turned up at her door. "I think it happens more than people know and it can happen to absolutely anybody," she said.